Okay. Joe Sullivan at Broken Arrow Events. We do Vietnam every day. We have some of our field gear here from our personal collections. We have weaponry down to the actual field gear, helmets, grenades, radio equipment, cameras, night vision scopes, just basically everything that you'd see in country. And we actually do use this stuff at least twice a year at our events. So we have the pig here, the M60 machine gun, fired 7.62 round, fully automatic, regular old rifleman M16 A1 here, fired 5.56, 55 grain rounds, standard issue M1 helmet with the Mitchell cover. This is synonymous with Vietnam. Marines and the Army were issued these. The Navy really didn't have the covers on them, but they also got the M1 helmets. This is a design from World War II. We have our M79 Grenade Launcher here. Basically was just a device to put a 40mm grenade where you wanted it to. So if I want to put a grenade over there, I just load this up and then shoot. I don't know if I have any. No, I don't have any rounds here. Actually, yes, I do.
You put the M16 down temporarily.
Yeah. This is the M79 Grenade Launcher, commonly known as the Thumper. You shot 40mm grenade rounds. So basically, you just put a grenade where you wanted it. So you load it, come up, shoot it, and then once you're done, the shell gets extracted, and then throw your next round in.
What else do we have?
Well, we have our long rocket launchers here. So these were disposable, any tank weapon. You can see these guys have them on their backs, on their rucksacks, or the slung. And this actually deploy these, pull pins open. This
Were they
doubles in size.
Were they one-shot rounds, or could you?
One-shot rounds, yeah.
The older version is the other one.
Yeah.
First issue.
Then M17 gas masks, Trick 77 radios. What was this guy? PRC6, yeah. PRC6 is like the old school walkie-talkie. Batteries, private purchase, water coolers, tankers' helmets, lanterns, smoke grenades, illumination flares, basically everything that you'd see in the field here. Meramite cans, basically the Army variant of a cooler, mess kits, canteen cups.
You say you hold events.
Say again?
You say you hold events more often.
Yes, we do normally try to do 2 Vietnam events a year. We do like a SOG LERP thing. Everyone wears tiger stripes, erdls, and then our main event takes place in August, and we portray the 173rd Airborne in 1968, 1969.
Where do you normally hold those events?
We're going to have an event this spring, April 28th, held here at the museum. It's called FIT. It's basically an infantry training event, and it's going to be 2 days here at the old Bethpage Restoration Village. Hopefully we can use the vehicles at the museum. We also have our own vehicles.
And when again do you anticipate that being held?
That's April 28th.
This spring.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep. So it'll be fun, definitely.
Anything else you can offer me in terms of information, or I'll say thank you otherwise?
Yeah, just check us out on the internet. Baesoft, BAE Airsoft.com.